Welcome. In today's tutorial, we'll walk you through a quick and simple way to search within a group on WhatsApp using your PC. This feature, introduced in the latest update, makes finding specific messages in group chats easier than ever. Let's dive right in. To begin, open the WhatsApp app on your PC. If you're not logged in yet, scan the QR code displayed on your screen using your phone to access your account. Once logged in, navigate to the group chat where you want to perform the search. You'll find all your chats listed on the left-hand side of the screen. Simply click on the group you want to open. Now, here's where the magic happens. Instead of scrolling endlessly to find a specific message, WhatsApp has introduced a handy shortcut for searching within groups. On your keyboard, press Ctrl plus Shift plus F. This command instantly opens the search bar within the group chat. Type in the word or phrase you're looking for in the search field. It could be anything: a name, a date, or even a keyword from an important conversation. As you type, WhatsApp will automatically filter through all messages in that group and display relevant results. Scroll through these results until you locate the exact message or conversation you need. Once you find what you're looking for, simply click on the result to jump directly to that part of the chat. This feature is perfect for saving time and staying organized, especially when dealing with large group chats filled with countless messages. And that's it. With just a few simple steps, opening WhatsApp, entering a group chat, pressing Ctrl plus Shift plus F, and typing your search query, you can efficiently locate any message within a WhatsApp group on your PC. We hope this tutorial helps you make the most of WhatsApp's new update. Happy searching!